Hello, my dear friends. Welcome all of you in my JEE mathematics classes. Topic limit and continuity. Here there is a question. Limit n tends to infinity 1 square minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 2 square minus 2 into n minus 2 plus up to n minus 1 whole square minus n minus 1 into 1 upon 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube minus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to n square is equal to. Option number first 2 by 3, second 1 by 3, third 3 by 4, D 1 by 2. This is the question of JEE Main 2024. So we are going to solve this question. Solution. Here limit n tends to 0. 1 square minus 1 first term n minus 1. Second term 2 square minus 2 n minus 2. Third term will be 3 square minus 3 n minus 3. N minus 1th term is n minus 1 whole square minus n minus 1 into n minus n minus 1, which is equal to 1. So this can be written as required limit equal to limit n tends to infinity. This can be written as summation r equal to 1 to n minus 1 r square minus r into n minus r. If we put r equal to 1, we will get first term, r equal to 2, second term, r equal to 3, third term, plus up to r equal to n minus 1, n minus 1th term. Upon 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube, ये हम फार्मूला जानते हैं सिग्मा n क्यूब, n स्क्वायर n प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर अपॉन 4. ये फार्मूला है मेरा 1 की सम ऑफ क्यूब ऑफ फर्स्ट n नेचुरल नंबर्स माइनस n इंटू n प्लस 1 2n प्लस 1 upon 6, sum of square of first n natural numbers n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 upon 6. This is equal to limit n tends to infinity summation r equal to 1 to n minus 1. Multiply these two factors n r square minus r cube minus n r plus r square upon take n into n plus 1 by 2 common, n into n plus 1 by 2 as a common, n into n plus 1 by 2 minus 2n plus 1 by 3. This is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 into n plus 1 by 2 minus 2n plus 1 by 3. This can be written as limit n tends to infinity summation minus sigma r equal to 1 to n minus 1 r cube minus r cube. This is n plus 1 r square plus n plus 1 sigma r equal to 1 to n minus 1 r square or minus n sigma r equal to 1 to n minus 1 r divided by n into n plus 1 by 2. Take LCM 2 or 3 6. 3 into 3 n into n plus 1 minus 2 into 2n plus 1. So once again, limit n tends to infinity, sigma r equal to 1 to n minus 1 r square minus r into n minus r. Numerator can be written in this form. Denominator 1q plus 2q plus 3q up to nq n square n plus 1 whole square upon 4 n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6. इसको गुना किया n r square minus r cube minus n r plus r square upon n into n plus 1 by 2 कॉमन लिया n into n plus 1 by 2 minus 2n plus 1 by 3. Now minus sigma r equal to 1 to n minus 1 r cube n plus 1 r square sigma r equal to 1 to n minus 1 r square minus n sigma r equal to n minus 1 r equal to 1 to n minus 1 sigma r upon n into n plus 1 by 2 2 और 3 calcium 6 3 into n plus 1 minus 2 into 2n plus 1. This is equal to limit n tends to infinity. This is equal to limit n tends to infinity minus 1q 2q 3q up to n minus 1 के होल क्यूब. तो फार्मूला n को हम रिप्लेस करेंगे n minus 1 से n minus 1 का स्क्वायर इंटू n minus 1 प्लस 1 तो n स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 plus n plus 1 into sum of natural numbers square of natural number up to n minus 1 whole square. Replace n by n minus 1 and n plus 1 means n 2n minus 2 plus 1 2n minus 1 upon 6 minus n into n minus 1 into n divided by 2 sum of natural numbers up to n minus 1. The n minus 1 plus 1 means n upon 2. This is upon n into n plus 1 by 2 3n square plus 3n minus 4n minus 2 3n square plus 3n minus 4n minus 2 upon 6. Limit n tends to infinity. Take n into n minus 1 by 2 as a common. N into n minus 1 by 2 as a common. The minus n into n minus 1 by 2 plus n plus 1 into 2n minus 1 upon 3 minus n upon n into n plus 1 by 2 3n square minus n minus 2 upon 6. कुछ नहीं किया, इसमें से फार्मूला में लिखा n इंटू एन माइनस 1 बाई 2 कॉमन लिया तो माइनस n इंटू एन माइनस 1 बाई 2 n इंटू एन माइनस 1 बाई 2 कॉमन लिया तो n प्लस 1 2n माइनस 1 बाई 3 माइनस n upon n into n plus 1 by 2 3n square minus n minus 2 upon 6. This is limit n tends to infinity n into n minus 1 upon 2 take 6 as a LCM. The minus 3n into n minus 1 plus 2 into n plus 1 into 2n minus 1 minus 6n upon n into n plus 1 upon 2, 3n square minus n minus 2 upon 6. Now this is equal to n into n by 2 cancel, 6 cancel. The limit n tends to infinity n minus 1. This n by 2, this n by 2 cancel. This 6 cancel. The n minus 1 into minus 3n square plus 3n minus 3n square plus 3n plus 2n plus 3n plus 2n square multiply 2n square minus n plus 2n minus 1 minus 6n upon n plus 1 3n square minus n minus 2. Limit n tends to infinity n minus 1 minus 3n square plus 3n plus 4n square 2n minus n the plus 2n minus 2 minus 6n upon n plus 1 3n square minus n minus 2. बहुत आसानी से हम लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप कैलकुलेशन करते हुए. दिस इज इक्वल टू लिमिट n टेंड्स टू इंफिनिटी n minus 1 into 4n square minus 3n square. This is n square. 3n plus 2n 5n minus 6n minus n minus 2 upon n plus 1 into 3n square minus n minus 2. Take n tends to n common 1 minus 1 by n. N square common 1 minus 1 by n minus 2 by n square upon n common 1 plus 1 by n. N square common 3 minus 1 by n minus 2 by n square. This n square cancel, n cancel. Replace n by infinity, 1 by infinity 0, 1 by infinity 0, 2 by infinity 0. This is equal to 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 minus 0 upon 1 plus 0, 3 minus 0 minus 0. This is equal to 1 upon 3. Our option number second is correct. तो इस प्रकार से हम लोग स्टेप बाय स्टेप कैलकुलेशन करते आए और इसका लिमिटिंग वैल्यू 1/3 ज्ञात कर लिया. उम्मीद है आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप इस वीडियो को फॉलो करेंगे तो आपको पूरा क्वेश्चन समझ में आ जाएगा, समझ में आया होगा. इसी प्रकार का और वीडियो देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें. उम्मीद है आपके पढ़ाई में ये वीडियो बहुत मदद करेगा. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.